One of the most important feature of using myViewBoard could be where you have an opportunity to save questions and ask them periodically from your learners. To create questions, all you need to do is click on magic box. The last option in the row stands for polls. Click on polls. Here you have an option to create multiple type of questions. For example, multiple choice, true or false, rating, free format, voting, random draw, and more. So let me click on this one. Let me write a color here, a question here. For example, what is the color of Earth? Now I need to give the options here. So I can say it is uh, blue, it is red, no color, and probably the next one could be green. Right, I've written my question here. Now, as an educator, when I'm drafting these questions, let me click on the correct one so that once this question gets evaluated by the system, it is easy for the system to understand the correct answer. And here it says countdown time, which says how much time do you want your learners to take to answer this question. So you can change the time according to your choice. I have set it as 1 minute, which is the default time, and I'll say save. Now, as you can see here, the question has been created, and each question that you will create will have a unique ID. So when your learners will try to attempt these questions, they would attempt it with these IDs.